What is the main business model for insurance companies? Insurance companies base their business models around assuming and diversifying risk. The essential insurance model involves pooling risk from individual players and redistributing it across a large portfolio. Most insurance companies generate revenue in two ways: charging premiums in exchange for insurance coverage, then reinvesting those premiums into their other interest generating assets. Like all private business, insurance companies try to market effectively and minimize administrative cost. Pricing and assuming risk. Revenue model specifies vary among health insurance companies, property insurance companies, and financial guarantors. The first task of any insurer, however, is to price risk and charge a premium for assuming it. Suppose the insurance company is offering a policy with a $1,000 conditional payout. It needs to assess how likely a prospective buyer is to trigger the conditional payment and extend that risk based on the length of the policy. This is where insurance underwriting is critical. Without good underwriting, the insurance company would charge some customers too much and others too little for assuming risk. This could price out the least risky customers, eventually causing rates to increase even further. If a company prices its risk effectively, it should bring in more revenue in premiums than it spends on conditional payouts. Interest, earnings, and revenue. Suppose the insurance company receives $1 million in premiums for its policies. It could hold on to the money in cash or place it into a saving account. But that is not very efficient. At the very least, those savings are going to be exposed to inflation risk. Instead, the company can find safe. Reinsurance. Some companies engage in reinsurance to reduce risk. The reinsurance is insurance that insurance companies buy to protect themselves from excessive losses due to high exposure. Reinsurance is an integral component of insurance companies' efforts to keep themselves solvent and to avoid default due to payouts. For example, an insurance company may write too much hurricane insurance based on models that show low chances of a hurricane inflicting a geographic area. Evaluating insurers. By smoothing out the fluctuations of the business, reinsurance makes the entire insurer sector more appropriate for investors. Insurance sector companies, like any other non-financial service, are evaluated based on their profitability, expected growth, payout, and risk. Complete risk-free with $1,000 in virtual cash. Put your trading skills to the test with our free stock stimulator. Compete with thousands of Investopedia traders and trade your way to the top. Submit trades in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. What is catastrophe reinsurance? Catastrophe reinsurance protects catastrophe insurer from financial ruin in the event of a large-scale natural or human-made disaster. Underlying retention definition. Underlying retention is the net amount of a risk or liability arising from an insurance policy that is retained by a company after reinsuring the balance. Reinsurance assisted placement. A reinsurance assisted placement is reinsurance business developed through an assistance of a reinsurance company. Insurance industry ETF definition. An insurance industry ETF invests primarily in insurance companies to obtain investment results that closely track an underlying index of insurer and others.